Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kanye West fired a Yeezy worker for asking to listen to Drake in the office. As per Rolling Stones, the Donda rapper liked his music tracks to play in the office. However, a staffer suggested playing someone else's music, to which he called for suggestions. The staff member confided to the American magazine, "I thought, oh, he's a rapper, I should probably mention some rap," adding, "They suggested playing something of Drake. Big mistake. The next day I was fired." The report also claimed that related to employee treatment at Yeezy, with several former workers calling it a cult-like atmosphere at the brand's office. Nothing has ever compared to the amount of chores, the amount of stress, and the amount of anxiety you go through working for Yeezy, a senior staffer said in the report. Moreover, an employee was allegedly fired for wearing a yellow jumper to the office and told, "Dress for the palette or you dress in black." Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.